Very pretty presentation for the box. Alright, so this is the base of the kettle. Feels like plastic. And the actual kettle. It feels almost like a metal. Does not feel plasticky. I can't wait to see what it looks like.
See 2 chips there. If I turn it around, it's starting to chip over here. And then over there. I don't know what's going on, but the paint started to chip in random different places. And also, I think there was some...
So I bought this kettle to go with this Haden toaster, and as you can see, the colors are not even close. So